kitty.
There they are. We'll get these kitties back to the ranch in no time. Here, kitty.
Cowpoke Clifford, we have to be careful not to spook the little critters. Herding the kittens might be trickier than we thought.
Herding?
Herding means getting all the kittens to stay together and go in the same direction.
Aw, you're the cutest little kitten I've ever seen.
You know, cowpokes would herd cows by riding behind them and nudging them along.
I can do that. Get along, little kitty. Time to herd you home. Hey, that tickles. She's a cute little kitty, but she sure is stubborn.
My parents call that willpower.
Huh? Willpower? Maybe we can call her Willa. I think she likes her new name. Emily Elizabeth, can Willa ride up here with me?
Sure thing, partner. Now, let's go round up the rest of those kitties.
Can't get enough Clifford? To watch full episodes, check out Amazon Prime Video or your local PBS Kids listings. And discover more Clifford stories everywhere books are available.